With Slimbox, you're packaging your products in their perfect box every time. No matter the volume, quantity, or product dimensions, Slimbox has you covered. For companies needing a fast and seamless packaging flow, we've introduced the patented Slimbox Fastflow application. With Fastflow, you can pack and ship a product in under a minute. That means up to 500 products ready to ship in just one 8-hour shift. Impressive, right? Here is how it works. Custom packaging begins with knowing the product dimensions. These can be sent via our API from your ERP or WMS system. No system? No problem. You can use the Slimbox measuring tool or select your saved favorites from our software. Once the dimensions are set, your Slimbox starts producing the custom-sized box immediately. Designed specifically for high-speed workflows, this box type optimizes cardboard use, ensures fast production, and enhances the unboxing experience for your customers. As a packer, you simply fold the box around the product with the help of our packing assistant, secure it with tape, add the shipping label, and it's ready to go. Enjoy sustainable, cost-effective, efficient, and secure shipments that also elevate the customer experience. And as a packer, you'll love the smooth process, ergonomic design, and outstanding results. Slimbox makes packaging smarter, faster, and better for you and your customers.